Hey everybody, and welcome to Rat's Tesla. Aaron Rath here with you. As today we have a good video. I know a lot of you out there are looking for floor mats and looking for something that are good for your car, and we've got another set of floor mats today to check out. We've done a couple reviews. Make sure you check out the reviews up above, or I'll link them in the description down below, or you can just check out my channel and watch all my videos and you can check out those reviews. But as of today, we're going to check out this set of floor mats, and make sure you watch all the way to the end, because the best part about today's video is I'm actually going to give this set of floor mats away, and I'll have the rules of how you can win this set of floor mats. This is a $260 set of floor mats that was sent to me by Sobervoy that you can win. But make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Thanks for watching Rat's Tesla. All right, let's start off by opening this up. Like I said, I'll put a link down below, and I'll put kind of a picture off to the side of me or above me or something that shows these floor mats. These come from a company on Amazon by Sobervoy, and I'll put a discount code for them as well. If you don't win the free set, you can buy your own set. But this is a full-on set of mats, and some really good stuff. If I pull up Amazon real quick and we check these out, the mats have a lot of really good qualities to them that you find on high-end floor mats for the Tesla Model Y, and they're really, I mean, they're laser cut. They've kind of got the same feel as the Max Spiders that I had in my car originally. It is a full set, so it has the front, the rear, it has for the frunk, it has for the sub trunk, and it has a mat for the back end of the car. So as I pull these out, wow, these are nice. Wow. If I wasn't giving these away, these might be the set that I was going to rock. But we're going to give these away. So as you can see, this is for the frunk, really nicely made. It is a rubber material, but it's got kind of that Velcro backing that we see out of Max Spider. It's very, very well made. This one's for the sub frunk. I really, really like how those look. We'll set those aside, and let's get out what's in here. This looks like the back end mat, and I'll leave it on there, and we're going to put these in just a moment. It's got the nice crease in the middle. Now this does have obviously fold marks because it came in a much smaller box, but very, very nicely done. And then we've got the mats for inside. Not everybody else does. These aren't labeled. These don't have their logo on them. The Oedro ones I have in my car now, the Max Spider ones, they have their label on them. And, you know, some people don't want that. These are very nicely made. Sobervoy is the company that sells them, that makes them. Wow, I really like the way they're cut. They're finished nicely on the edges, if you can see that. They've got a nice lip to them, and we'll kind of just set that aside. All right, so I have all of them installed in the Model Y, and I've got to tell you, they really, really fit in there nice. As we turn and we take a look at the frunk, you can see that this mat in the frunk fits in there really nice and tight. Not a lot of gaps around the edge, and just looks really, really good in the frunk. Now let's take a walk to the back of the car and check it out. Now you will see that this mat that lays down in the back, if I can get a better video of it, it's standing up a little bit, but as it's getting warmer from the sun, it's laying flat. But the one thing I do notice is that it fits in there very nice all the way to the edges. and it doesn't push down. I had one in here before and it always kept riding towards the back, and so I'd have to pull it up and stick it in there, and it was just a pain in the butt. I ended up taking it out and throwing it away. I didn't like it, but this one has the fold in the middle so that you can still put your sub frunk up and it'll fold nice and neat there in the middle. And you can see as we look around the edges here how nicely this fits into the back end of the Tesla. Some spots might be a little bit hard. And then under the sub trunk, excuse me, it's got another mat that fits in there very, very nicely. Now let's check out inside, because I know that's what everybody's looking for. And I will tell you, this one in the back, man, it probably goes under the farthest of any mat that I've had. If I can get to show you, this one goes all the way back, and I'm going to stick my camera under here and see if it'll come out. It goes all the way back to the vent in the rear there. And man, it just fits in there so good. It's got a nice lip around the edge here. It goes up high enough in the back to hold the water. And it's just nice and flat across there. Nothing to disturb the nice clean look. And like I said, when I was opening this, there's no logo on these anywhere. And I really, really like that. And it really shows when you get to the driver's side one. You know, it fits in here nice. I really like how high up this goes on the dead pedal. The Oedro ones I have only come up to about here. These go up about 6 inches higher. They don't interfere in the back with the pedals. They have a nice lip around them. They keep everything in here tight, and they fit absolutely perfect. And like I said, they do not have a logo. That is nice touch on this one. And now let's take a quick jaunt over to the passenger side and check out the passenger side. And like I said, man, they just fit in there so good. It's snug, it doesn't slide around. It's got a nice lip so that you can keep the liquid in there. And you can take these out and hose them off with a pressure washer, with a garden hose, with anything else that you use to wash your vehicle. You just take these out and hose them off. Use a little soap and brush. I have a video on how to wash your floor mats. You can check that out on my channel, or I'll throw a description or a link to it up above. But make sure you check that out. But these are really nice floor mats. All right, so that'll do it for today's video. Like I said, these floor mats made by Sobervoy. This is a 6-piece set, so 3 for inside, the passenger and the driver's side in the front, the full rear. It also has one for the front, for the sub trunk, and then for the mat in the back. And right now on Amazon, these are running $247, but there's an extra $100 coupon if you're an Amazon Prime member, so you can get your own right now for $147. I'll also have a discount code in the link below, so check that out. You should be able to put both of those together. But like I said at the beginning, we are going to give this set away. So here is what you have to do to be qualified to win these floor mats. I am going to let this ride all the way out until, well, it's almost the end of April here. So we're going to go 30 days. So we're going to go June 1st. On June 1st, I will select a winner. And here's what you have to do in order to win these floor mats. First thing you have to do is you have to be a subscriber to the channel. Absolute must. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, you cannot win these floor mats. So get on down there and click that subscribe button, hit the bell, that way you get notified when we put up new videos. The second thing that you must do is you need to drop a like on this video. Throw a thumbs up on this video, drop a like on it, and then last is really easy. I just need you to put a comment down below. It can be whatever you want. Hello, hey, I want to win the floor mats, whatever it is. I just need you to drop that comment below. On the 1st of June of 2022, I will draw a winner randomly. I will put all the available names into a generator that randomly generates numbers for them. We will create the winner, and then I will send you a DM to get your email address so that we can get connected and so that we can get those sent out to you. I'll also make a short video as I'm doing the drawing and as the winner is picked so that you know who the winner is. So that's what it is. I'll put the rules right here on the screen, but it's pretty simple. You have to subscribe, you have to like, and you have to throw a comment on the video, and then I will pick a winner on June 1st of 2022 for these floor mats. I'll get them sent to you. I'll pay for shipping. It will cost you absolutely nothing for these floor mats except for subscribing, liking, and dropping a comment below. That'll do it for today's video. As always, thanks for watching. Get out, go drive, be safe, don't be a jerk, and we'll catch you in the next video.